All right. Well, let's move on. We will definitely keep you updated on these different legislations. Again, New York. Pay attention to that. Look into that, and then share your thoughts when it comes to the dynamic pricing, because that is where it's definitely going to have an effect on you as an Uber or Lyft driver. But
All right.
one of the things that I think most of us are going to answer probably pretty similarly, and the article did a pretty good job, is why do why do Uber drivers rate their passengers poorly?
Hmm. I
Hmm?
I
Hmm?
I've had many GTFO moments in my driving life, and one stars because to me personally, I'm just gonna give my personal opinion, and then you guys take this wherever you want. Um, to me, you cannot eat in my car. Period. It's not gonna happen.
Nope.
I don't give a shit what
Same.
you're eating, even if it's in a bag. Your face is in the bag. It's not gonna happen. It smells bad. I don't want it. Number one, you can definitely not smoke in my car. That's
Nope.
two. Or
Mm-mm.
vape in my car. Okay, that's two.
Definitely
When
can't
you
drink
walk in
either.
my car, when you walk in my car, you set the precedence for your rating you're about to get. You're walking in my car. Maybe I'm too old world. You say good morning or hello to me first. I don't have to say it to you because you're coming in my car. And the second you walk in, you ask me for an aux cord, your rating just went down. Guaranteed it went down. So
Hmm.
I don't have too many things that I go against. Or if I'm picking you at the beach, if you're covered in sand, you get in my car like that, you're gonna get it. You're gonna just get it, the one star, and get out of here. So there are small things that I pay to. A lot of things I let it go. I even let go ladies in the morning going to work. Doing some makeup in the back seat. All right, no problem. I got you. Don't worry about it. As long as you're careful, whatever. Because there are
Yeah,
people
and
that
you
are
don't
late
get
to
that
work,
lipstick
whatever.
or makeup on the seats or anything.
Well, I'm taking a chance, but I'm just giving good service at that moment. Saying
Yeah.
she's late, obviously, whatever. So, but certain things I cannot do. Do I pick up? I absolutely, when I'm at LAX, I absolutely pick up their luggage and put it in my trunk because guarantee you they're going to scratch the crap out of your bumper because they're not going to pay
Hmm.
any attention. They're going to just lug it up there. I'm like, no, I'll get out. Even looks like good service. I'll pick it up, put it in my trunk so my bumper has no scratch marks on it.
You know what you need? You need the bumper guard. You need
Yeah.
that nice rubber bumper guard, so then you don't have to get out of the car. They can just do it in, and you got all of it
Yeah.
nice protected. You're all good to go.
Yeah, man. And then, to me, those are like small pet peeves I have. And, I'm an easy guy. I'll let you do pretty much anything you want, but up to a certain degree. And then, that's it. But yes, I probably had like 8 or 9 total disasters. GTFO, open the door, out, 1 stars, maybe 7 or 8 in my 10,000 trips. So, it's not, look, man, 99% of the passengers are pretty cool. It's that 1%
Hmm.
idiot that gives it a bad name. You know what I mean? So I'm like, whatever.
Yeah. Oh, agreed. Yeah. If for the most part, people, for me at least, they're gonna get 5 stars because it's annoying to rate and then have to, just to be able to continue on, press all
Yeah.
those freaking buttons. So it's just like it's easier because then you don't have to be like, oh well, blah blah blah, um, anything like that. But yeah, there are definitely reasons on why. And food, if you're gonna act like an asshole to me or something like that, these types of things, that's definitely going to do it. um if I'm annoyed at the person before you, I try not to take it out on them. I
Yeah.
try to like woo-saw it out, and I'm trying to be a little bit better there, but
Yeah.
uh at first I may come off a little standoffish, but I don't hold it against that next person. But like if they're doing something that it's just no bueno,
That's
then yeah, that's gonna be
yeah. No, I mean, you know
uh
what? Yeah. I mean, I think this is pretty. This could be a really problem for late night drivers, which I don't do anymore. I mean, different crowd, bar crowd, bodily fluids, all kinds of shit can happen. I'm like, that's why I don't do it because the pay is not enough. The pay is not commensurate to my risk I'm taking. So just
mhm.
that's a
Yeah,
good idea right
absolutely.
there. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, give us Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. Send me some or put it in the comments now. Slamming the doors. You know what? Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah.
Yep.
Like just go in and slamming, come in slamming. I'm like, bro, just like, okay. All right. What else, guys? Yeah, I agree with pretty much all. Slam door jumping overseas. You know, another thing I hate
Yeah,
about
that's.
drivers, about
I'll tip
passengers.
you in the app for sure.
But do you know the ones that walk in? Like, you pull them to the right side, their house is on the left side, right? They walk across the street. They come sit right behind you. I hate that. I freaking hate that. And I always tell them, there's more room on the other side. Why don't you go sit there? Because safety, but there are these idiots that just come sit right behind you. I'll go like, bro, just go sit over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That or the people who you got one person that you're picking up and they want to sit in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
Like
Well,
right
okay.
next to you. No, just sit in the back, dude.
Yeah, sit in the back, bro. Yeah, don't. I'm not your friend. Just go back to bed. Yeah, okay, Jeff. We know what happened. I don't know about that comment of yours. Lyft is pretty stingy, or Uber is pretty stingy to put out those 150s these days because a lot of passengers have gotten into the media complaining that the fraud. The drivers sent pictures and they charged me 150, but I didn't even do anything. I'm like, now the companies are being very stingy.
Mhm.
Yeah, 3 stars. You know what? That's the other thing I don't do, Chris. We're not in freaking high school. I don't do, I don't. What's the difference between 4 and 5? I don't know. Star. I mean, I go 1 or 5, bro, because that's like
Yeah.
5 is the norm. When I give you the 1 as a passenger, by the way, you're gonna immediately figure out if you care about your rating, because I'm gonna crash your rating, bro. Okay, the guaranteed. If you do like 1 Uber a month and I give you a 1 star, I'm gonna drop you to like 420s, and the next guy's not gonna pick you up. That's one. The second thing is, if you give me a retaliatory 1, once you figure that I gave you a 1 because I have to rate you first, obviously, it won't bother me. My rating won't even drop a tenth because I'm doing out of 500 ratings. To me, it's a pretty good exchange, actually. Actually, in
Yeah.
the old days, we used to be able to go into the app and change our rating. Uber stopped that. I used to hammer people like that. I would like, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, and then bang, 2 days later, I go, we'll give him a 1 star. And then,
No, okay, so get one of the most annoying riders I ever had. Um, absolutely annoying. Like the one of the absolute worst. Like I couldn't wait until she got the F out of my car. Um, she wanted me to rate her while she was waiting in my car so she could see me rate her. I'm like, and I played it off. I'm like, oh, I already did, even though I didn't. I didn't even end the trip at that point because I know that game. So I made it look like I'm like, I already did. Have a good day. And then right when she got out, 1 starred by. Oh my
that's
god!
crazy,
But that,
bro.
but that's the other thing too. Like for the most part, ask her. For the next week, 20 trips, 50 trips, whatever you work for the next week, ask your low rated passengers if it takes them longer to get rides than the higher rated passengers.
It does.
Because I've had that conversation with quite a few riders already. They're like, I don't understand. My rating's low, blah, 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 whatever. And it takes me longer to get a ride. But yet my
Yeah.
friend over here has a good rating and they get a ride right away. And it's like, well, yeah, you
That's
probably
the whole
did something to
idea,
fuck it up.
bonehead. Yeah, that's the whole idea. And you know what? It's and passengers look. There are some passengers who literally use Uber or Lyft every day. I'm serious. I've had
Yep.
passengers come in. Lyft tells you how many trips this passenger had, and how many years they've been on the platform. One time I
Hmm.
picked up this girl. She had 2,700 Lyft trips. I'm like, you have
Jeez.
more trips than I do, man. So
Lyft loves her.
Lyft loves her. But no, my thing is, 1 star, 5 star. Okay. The GTFO
Yeah,
happens very
that's
rarely.
actually where I am. I do the
Yeah, I'm not playing
one
this
star.
game. We're not in high school. Yeah, it's like,
Yeah,
and the
it's
most
like,
important thing though, I honestly I believed in this. Most passengers don't even know what their rating is. Sometimes they go, "How do you look? How do you look at that?" They go like, because here's my deal. At LAX, I pick up a lot of 440s, 450s. A lot. I may be the only one.
mhm,
Do you know why? Because as soon as they get in my car, I immediately know that passenger is from the East Coast for sure. Either
mhm.
Philly, New York, one of those cities that the drivers are brutal on these passengers. They hammer them, bro. And then the guy would get in my car, like he goes, I go, he goes, nobody picked me up. He goes, thanks for picking me up. I go, are you from New York? He goes, yeah, how did you know? I go, look at your rating, it's 445. And those would be the nicest people.
That or you'd be like, yo, I could hear you accent, man.
Yeah, those would be nicest people too. They tip and but New York drivers hammer these people, bro. Like I go, all right.
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. So
yep. Yeah. It's kind of funny, but either way, yes. Continue sharing your thoughts on why you would rate a passenger lower in the comments. And then if you're watching the replay on this, just put it in the comments what you think or what you do and what your rating you're going to give out to. Go Bills. Love it.
Go Bills.
So yeah, let us know. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.